till the sun goes down and all through the night time. Oh yeah, I'll tell you what you wanna hear.
At my DRS Sedilla, 2026 Ferrari Sergio, VIP style, cinematic tone, English. At the section, dramatic ambient music begins. In a world chasing sedans and SUVs, a broken bar one name stands apart. This isn't comfort. This isn't compromise. This is the 2026 Ferrari Sergio, a machine sculpted for the bold, the rare, the unforgettable. At the micro, engine revving sound fades in. With just 6 ever made, this isn't a car. It's a collector's masterpiece. Powered by Ferrari's legendary V8, born from the 458 Spider Soleil and reimagined by Pininfarina in honor of Sergio himself. It's not a sedan. It's not practical. It's not ordinary. At the section, pause a shift to adrenaline tone. It's raw. It's ruthless. It's outrageous. This is speed, a broken bar wearing a tuxedo. 2026. Sergio Live Zone. Not for the masses, for the legends. At the micro, music fades to black. Ferrari Sergio.